Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install any version of the .NET Framework software from Microsoft. So to begin, just open your browser and type www.microsoft.com. Click on the search bar on the right and type .NET Framework and put your version or simply write download. At this stage, you will see this page. Click on Download.NET Framework Official Downloads. And here you will have all the supported versions which you can download. Below you have the out of support versions. So you have 4.0, 4.5, 5.1.2, 4.6, 4.6.1. And here the supported ones, you have 4.8, 4.8, 4.7, etc. So there are several versions. You can always choose which one you want. If you don't find the one which you want in this page, simply click on .NET 6 or later, and you'll be redirected to another page. And here you will have the latest version, 8.0 currently as of today, and you will have also .NET 9 preview. If you click on it, you'll be redirected to see the .NET preview. To download is really very easy. You either click here for the 8 version, or you click all .NET 8.0 downloads, or all .NET versions. And here you have additional versions, 6.0, 7.0, 8.0, and 9.0. So click on any. Let's begin with 7, let's say. And here we will make sure to download the latest version. It's usually identifiable by the numbers. So here is the edition, and here 0.4.08. So if you are a Windows user, you want to download the Windows version. You have also the Mac and you have also the Linux. For the Windows, you can choose between x86 for the 32-bit computers and x64 for the 64-bit computer. To know which one to download, simply Google your computer brand plus the model and type specifications, and you will be able to see what is the processor version. Usually you are looking for a processor, so it's Core i5 in my case, and you want to Google it to see if it's 3264. If you are not able to do so, just go to your search bar and type dxdiag, hit enter and wait a few seconds, and the new app will open. And here my operating system which I'm using on this laptop is Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. If in your case you are using 32-bit, you want to download the x86 to be compatible. But if you have 64, you want to download x64 to be compatible. Click on it. The download would automatically start. You will need to wait a few seconds to up to 1 minute, and then you can simply click to install it as any other software. Once the download is completed, open the download folder, right-click on the software, run as administrator, and you will need to wait. Then the user control account panel will appear and it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just go ahead and click yes. As the next stage, you have here the .NET SDK, and you can read through, and if you agree with the terms, you just click install, and then the installation process will begin. You'll be prompted to restart your computer, and then the installation will be completed. I will just stop for this since I have it already installed. And thank you guys for watching. Tell us in the comments if you are facing any errors or having any problems, and we'll do our best to help you. Talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.